Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly add notes in leads, deals, contacts, and companies. Start by navigating to the Leads module from the top navigation. In both List View and Kanban View, you'll find an Add Note icon next to each lead. Click to add your note directly from the view. This Add Notes panel will open up. Type in your note here. Once done, click on Save. Alternatively, click on the lead to open the detailed view. For that, click on Lead Name. On the left-hand sidebar, just below the basic information, you'll see the Add Note icon. Click here to enter your note. Once done, click on Save. Once added, all your notes will appear under the History section in the middle of the page, keeping everything organized and traceable. Additionally, if you click on Notes, you can view your notes here. With a similar process, we can add notes to deals as well. Click on Deals. Click on Notes icon. Add notes in this panel. This process works the same for deals, contacts, and companies as well. Just go to the respective module and follow the same steps to add and view notes. And that's how you can easily manage notes across all your entities in Togile CRM. Check out more how-to videos in the playlist and stay organized.